Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today's video is made because of public demand and you wanted to know how to use the shimmer brick. So I'm going to show you 5 ways how you can use the Sivana shimmer brick. I mentioned the Sivana shimmer brick in my previous video, not my previous video but the video before that. I will leave the link to the video also in the description box. So before I mentioned that Sivana is been sold on Amazon and I was not too sure about the Instagram pages. So guess what? I have found out the sole dealers of the Sivana brick. They are called the Charis Enterprises and they have an Instagram page. Do check it out. I will leave the link to that also in the description box. So you can go and order. They have tons of Sivana products. Also let me know if you want me to do a Sivana haul. I'll be more than happy. So let's get to the video. It's very simple. All I'm using is a fan brush for this and my fingers because I think that's the most easiest way. Also, it's quick and sometimes we don't really invest in brushes. So don't worry, I've got your answer solved. So to begin, I have already highlighted my face as you can see. So I'm going to show you the easiest way you can do it. Basically, to highlight your cheekbone, what you do is you take this and you just brush through the whole thing. I don't use one particular color, but I'm going for all of it. You can see the product on this. So what you do is you highlight the high ends of your cheekbone because that will give a really nice definition to your face. So just go slowly and highlight this area. So you notice what I've done is I've highlighted the cheekbones, both the side, and make sure it's always on the highest end of your face where you can feel the bone. So that's how you can do the cheekbone. So that's one. The second way to do it is by using it as an eyeshadow. What I've done is I've used this color, the darkest color. I've used it with my finger. So basically take some product on your finger and then just dab it onto your eye like this. And then you're good to go. It'll give a nice copperish touch to your face. Also, I'm using the brick number 2, just so you know. Yeah. So basically dab that in that eye and again use the same finger to dab it onto this eye as well. So that's the second way you could use this. The third way is to use it to highlight your brow bone. So the reason you highlight your brow bone is to give a definition to your eyebrow because right now everyone's trying to up their eyebrow game. By highlighting your eyebrow, you would really get a better definition. Again, use your finger, use another finger, a clean finger, and take the lightest part of the brick, which is this light gold. So you take this and then just dab it onto your brow bone and then just blend it using the same finger or another finger. So once you're done there, you can see that, my eyebrow is given a better definition. And similarly, go to the other brow and do the same thing. Work it through. And that'll give a great definition to your eyebrow. So once that's done, so we have covered 3 places where you can highlight. The 4th place is to use it as a highlighter for your nose as well as your cupid's bow. So what you do is again brush through the whole thing. Use the ends of the fan brush because that's where it'll give the maximum touch. But make sure you don't use much because this is a highly pigmented product. So all you got to do is dust it off a bit so that it doesn't collect too much of product. But you still have a little bit of product. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the ends of this part of my nose to give a nice shine and definition because I don't think I have a great nose. But yeah. After that, I'm going to use the same thing to highlight my cupid's bow, which is already done, but I'm going to just show it to you again. So it's just at that place. Don't put too much because you really you don't require too much. It's just to give that little touch of shine to your face. And the last is my favorite part, how you can highlight the corners of your eye just using your pinky finger or your little finger. Just use this product, the lightest shade again, and take this much product and then just press it against your corner of your eye to give that popped up effect. Basically, your eyes will look really nice after this if you can see what I'm talking about. So you're good to go and you're ready for the night. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. The subscriptions and likes can really help me grow, guys. So thank you so much for all the love that you've been showing and the messages. So please let me know. Please send in your messages on YouTube as well as I have an email ID. I'm going to link it on my description box again. So you can send me some mails. I'd love to hear from you. Until then, stay fantabulous and please keep watching. I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.